Right, so here we are, we're back in Minecraft Dungeons, welcome back, and exciting news, last night I unlocked a iron golem. It's very cool. I went to the Wandering Trader and he just happened to give me one for some cash, or some diamonds, emeralds even. So there he is, look, you can see him hovering in the background and he's in my artifact list. Golem kit, does up to 1131 damage. And he sticks around for a while. He just fights until basically he's got his own health bar, so eventually he will die. Doesn't last. And here he is, look! Wow! He has this habit of wandering off a little bit, so I'm going to call this one Trevor. Come on, Trevor, follow me. Come on, can you fit through the arch? Don't bang your head. Oh, that was close. Maybe just scrape the top a little bit. So let's see him in action. We're going to go to Cacti Canyon and we'll go on to Apocalypse 3. Incidentally, you can't unlock the Iron Golem until you get to the Apocalypse level, so you've got to play through the game potentially twice first until you can even get hold of the Golem. And you can actually get him from the Wandering Trader like I did, or apparently it does drop in on levels 2. But yeah, like I said, I got him from the Wandering Trader. Very exciting. So anyway, here we are, taking Trevor for his first little outing in Cacti Canyon to see what this fella can do. It's nice having a companion. I'm not so keen on the llama and the wolves, to be honest, but this guy, yeah, he's got a certain presence about him. Hey, Trevor, you're wandering off again. Come on. Now you can press Y and it'll sort of respawn him nearer to you if he's already active. And what's happening here? He seems to be respawned underground. Oh, Trevor, come back. Come on, where are you? Come back. I need you. I need you right now. Oh, Trevor, let's see if I can get him here. Ah, no, he's fallen down. Oh, this is an epic fail of a video demonstrating an iron golem that's not even visible. So anyway, let's just hit some of these and we'll see if we can get him back for you to see in just a second. Sheeps, be gone. Come on, I really need the golem back. Yeah, it's going to respawn in a minute. Just patience. You know, good things come to those who wait, including iron golems. Let's just clear this screen a bit. Yum yum, I'll have those, thank you very much. He's back. Look at him go, he's swinging those big arms around like you would not believe. He's got the party started, that's for sure. I'm going to hang back a little bit, I'm going to just hoover up the other people who are hanging around. Yeah, don't you hurt my golem. Come on, Trevor. Yeah, he's very effective, you can see. His little yellow health bar is going down. Oh no, this is not good, he's surrounded by exploding rocks. He's okay, he survived. He's about to die though. I'll go and help him out a little bit. Oh, he's fallen over, look at that. A sorry sight, he's toppled. I shall have to respawn him in a second because I need a bit more Trevor here. In the meantime, it's just me, on my own, killing these things. Have some firework explosions, people. Surrounded. Got some good soul hunting going on here. Right, it's nearly Trevor time again. Take that. Oi, crossbow man. And you, be gone. Thank you very much. Okay, so I've got the Truth Seeker sword, and it's got 3 enhancements all up to the 3rd tier. I've got this nice armor, Frostbite. Spawns a snowy companion. And I've got a heavy crossbow for my ranged weapon, which is pretty fast. I like it. Okay, welcome back to it. Wrong way, cooey, this way. Come with me, there's a battle to be fought. Come on, swing those big limbs around. Do it, thank you, yes. Oh, not more of these. Oh no! The sad thing also about Trevor is if you die, he dies too. He doesn't continue without you. Well, that wasn't the best TNT throw, never mind. And we're about to die and you'll see, oh look, I've died and Trevor can't go on, he's also fallen too. Anyway, thanks for watching the Golem video. Very exciting, I think.